Good morning, everyone. How you doing today? So I was sent an article from someone from the National Real Estate Investor magazine. And this magazine is highlighting what you and I have been talking about. I have been warning for months that Class A apartments in urban centers are in trouble. If you've been listening to me for the last 3 or 4 months, you can say, you got that one, Michael. Again, remember this channel is about creating original content every day for you. I do these live, no editing. So if you like that, you like to talk about money, investing, hit subscribe. You'll get 2 to 3 videos a day. Be warned, I do create a lot of content. It's not unusual for me to post 4 or 5 videos a day. So realize that that might be the case. But in the end, I create a lot of content. I'm trying to help you move forward. I'm excited by the opportunities that are ahead of us. I think 2021 is going to be a lot of fun. But let's review this article from the National Real Estate Investor. I will put the link below in the description. First, this is about Class A urban. Big cities like New York and California have already seen, New York and San Francisco have seen rents plummet in Class A. 31% in San Francisco, over 20% in New York. In addition to that, urban core areas are suffering. New York, San Francisco, Seattle, Los Angeles, Chicago, and the list goes on. Right now, nobody is building Class C apartments. Everybody is building luxury Class A at the exact wrong time. These Class A apartments were built for the millennials who worked in these big cities. And what has happened is many of them have lost their jobs and moved home with mom and dad. Others who have the financial wherewithal have left renting and are now becoming owners in the suburbs. The vacancy rate is expanding across the country. San Francisco, New York, Seattle, Chicago, LA, Houston. It is expanding in many other places. The other thing we are seeing called out by national real estate investors, and this is something I got so much pushback on. A lot of investors have said Class A is the place to be. Class A is the safest place to be in a recession. And I have long since said every crisis challenges a long-held belief that we thought never could be broken. And here's the deal. Without question, value destruction that is going to come to Class A apartments is real and sizable and is going to be out of this world. You need to check out a video I did a couple weeks ago. I think I've retitled it The Math or Just the Math. It shows how a $130 million building could be worth 50% less with just a couple of changes. Again, the National Real Estate Investors magazine is highlighting that Class A across the country is already down 3% rent expectation just in August. Now, for all of those people that have been picking on Class C is up 3.8%. I have been saying for quite some time, folks, I don't know why you're so upset with me with Class A being a problem. Yes, the people with the most financial means have savings and all of that. But folks, shelter it goes water, food, shelter. People need a place to live. And given all the supply is in Class A and nobody's building Class C and the recession is real, Class C demand is up. Class C values are up. Class A toast. Going back to that video on the math, we are seeing rents down in excess of double digits. Vacancy rates are up substantially. Cap rates are going to be expanding. People are going to be in technical default, and owners who have purchased Class A in the last couple of years, you are in trouble. So again, folks, just wanted to share this article. I will link this one below. It is where it is. Do yourself a favor, learn your market. Again, I would tell you owning single family homes is the way to go. Some of you like to be LPs or GPs on apartments, multifamily. I think it's going to be a little rough. Space is good. I believe millennials are switching from renters to owners like never before. and it caught you by surprise. Okay, everyone, have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.